Hey guys, this is Parth here, Parth Shah, and we have started a new show, Pep Talks with Parth. And in this show, like you might have seen many of such shows on YouTube and television, like all the talk shows and everything. So this is somewhat similar to that, but as well as different from that, because on that you see all the celebrities and YouTubers and TikTokers coming and giving gyan and everything. But in this show, we are getting people who are in and around us. मतलब आपके आजू बाजू भी लोग काफी होंगे जिनसे आपको लगता है कि यार मतलब समझो कोई दोस्ती है या कोई चाचा है या कोई मामा है जिनसे काफी सारा माइंड ब्लोइंग आप नॉलेज ले सकते हो या काफी अच्छे से वो अपना बिजनेस रन कर रहे हैं बट दे डोंट हैव द प्लेटफॉर्म टू शेयर देयर नॉलेज with a number of people and neither there are platform for this kind of people who like where they can come and they can share the knowledge. So with this podcast or a talk show or whatever you can call it, we have started where we'll be getting people who are in and around us but they inspire us in some or the other way. So you will be getting knowledge from them as well, and that knowledge will not be something like which you can use or apply when you are famous, because the knowledge you get from other talk shows will be from a celebrity which is already working since last 20-25 years. So yeah, on this show we'll be talking with them about their life journey and how it has been and how it can inspire you in any way. So this is the first episode and I'd like to introduce you to our first guest of the show. Welcome to the show. So for the people who don't know Yash is a great dancer. So this great is not improvised or ऐसा वो सब pretentious बातें नहीं कर रहे हम लोग. He has been like the dancer from Madibai College and has choreographed a lot of events and hosted a lot of events in Sangeet as well. And in all these years, he has gained a huge fan following, a huge female fan following. So we'll know from Yash how things have been and how a boy from Malad East had become the star of the Madibai. So Yash, tell us people about you. Like how did you get into dancing and like how was the start of the dance?
So firstly I would like to mention कोई स्टार वार नहीं हूँ भाई ये लोग बस ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं. I was actually the underdog. Firstly I never trained, never had any guru of mine, always been this YouTube and बस ये YouTube करो और सीखो वैसे ही चल रहा था उस टाइम पे and the reality shows. So I started dancing school times when we used to choreograph चिल्ड्रंस डे, टीचर्स डे. तो उस टाइम में लाइक अरे हाँ ये मैं कर सकता हूँ. सो आई पास्ड आउट, मिडिबाई एंटर किया. आई वाज लाइक करते हैं डांस. बट यस बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन था. लाइक वी हैड ऑडिशंस इन बायदास जैसे ओडीआईडी में होता था. 3 जजेस एक जन को रूटीन सिखा रहे ग्रीन रूम में, आओ करो. देयर वर अराउंड 150 बट few lucky were selected.
Few talented were selected.
Yeah, okay. So that was the first thing I think जहाँ confidence boost हुआ. That yes.
This is something teacher wants to do.
Yes.
Okay, so we all know like Madibai is a huge college and it's like a dream college for many of us. And like not many of us, we have been in Madibai. Many of you who have not been in Madibai.
Yes.
But so yeah, so that was like a big college where there was a lot of competition and everything. So what do you think? How did you like face the competition which was already existing in the college?
So I'll start with same I was talking to you earlier. No one knows or knew that time कि मैं dancer हूँ, because I don't know why, but किसी को नहीं पता था. And जब भी डांस किया तो we were like, oh ये तो छोटा गाँव में किसको कैसे मतलब कैसे पता चलेगा
ये डांस भी करता है.
या ये डांस भी करता है, ऐसा हो गया. And the seniors were really supportive, बहुत अच्छे थे, and they were always willing and giving us chance कि जाओ तुम ये कॉलेज में परफॉर्म करो, ये कॉलेज में परफॉर्म करो. So the first year it went really good. And then हम सीनियर बन गए. And then it went that way. Juniors आते रहे and everything was
Correct. When you first entered the college, like did you have in mind कि मतलब 5 साल के बाद मैं इधर से निकलूंगा तो वो लड़कियों का झुंड जो आज मेरे पीछे जा रहा है वो आते ही रहे और बढ़ता ही नहीं.
See, firstly, it was not for लड़कियों का झुंड. This guy is blaming me for something I have never done. It was quite natural. लड़की ऐसे पीछे पड़ती थी. तो yeah, the point is I always love to be the center of attraction.
Okay.
तो it is from school days कि नहीं सबको पता तो चलना चाहिए
चाहिए
कौन है
यश कौन है.
yes तो मिट्टी बार में घुस के ही then when I realized that this is something I'm going to do this is something I'm made for I think dancing तो तभी ठान लिया था कि मिट्टी बार से निकलूं नहीं निकलूं किधर भी रहो but people should know of my year as well as the junior or senior however I can manage that but यश नाम का एक बंदा था जो नाचता था वो पता रहना चाहिए यश सांघवी
तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि मतलब आज कॉलेज में परफॉर्मेंस मतलब दिया कहीं परफॉर्म किया बट देन यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड और द अप्रिसिएशन और व्हाट यू कैन से द reviews which you were expecting from people to give you didn't get and you were walking back home and then you were like यार मतलब you lost your confidence and then how did you like regain that confidence again मतलब वो घर पे आके आईडी के सामने क्या how what was the process of मतलब वो
I'll tell you one incident जब भी I think साठे कॉलेज से लोग आए हुए थे for the battle which we used to do in canteen मीटिंग में वाले देख रहे थे they know that कि उस टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ था दैट 7-8 जन थे और हम 2-3 जन ही थे मेरे भाई से तो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दिस थिंग हैपेंड यार मजा नहीं आया अच्छा नहीं लगा लाइक एंड आई पर्सनली फील आई हैव ऑलवेज वर्कड फॉर अप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम रैंडम्स बिकॉज़ आई फील वही ऑनेस्ट होता है एक्चुअली सो
बिकॉज़ बाकी सब तो फैंस और मतलब ऑलरेडी है ही
ओके दिस हैज हैपेंड कि नहीं मजा आया वो रिव्यूज अच्छे नहीं आए कि यार नहीं अस्ते को बेटर करते हुए देखा है तो घर जाके दैट वाज द रेज कि नहीं और करना है अलग अलग स्टेप सीखने हैं यूट्यूब करना है ये करना है वो करना है सो यार नेक्स्ट दिन बैंग
बट काफी लोग जो लोग आते होंगे वो लोग या तो प्रोफेशनली ऑलरेडी कर रहे होंगे या कहीं से सीख के आए होंगे तो मतलब एज कंपेयर्ड टू देम यू आर समवन हु हैज जस्ट लर्न फ्रॉम YouTube सो डिड यू एवर फील मिस्ड आउट ऑन लाइक थिंग्स कि यार ये मैंने क्लासेस नहीं की मुझे नहीं आता है तो मैं कैसे करूं या फिर honestly that guy or that girl is doing a better job than what I'm doing right now so how do you deal with that मतलब how do you work on your skills like while growing
so basically obviously trained dancers बहुत clean होते हैं they know the counts मैं तो बोलता हूँ मेरे को counts भी नहीं आते थे उस टाइम पे कि अच्छा ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं 8 काउंट को बाहर बोलते हैं तो वो लोग से सीखा and they were quite as I said earlier supportive and they knew कि हाँ नहीं सीखा हुआ है but अच्छा कर रहा है so they were always supportive and it was obviously very hard to cope up with them because वो लोग instantly करते थे सब और मेरे को बहुत practice लगा है but obviously they are also trained practice तो किया ही है so but खुद करके किया उस टाइम पे सब yes
okay and meanwhile you were all like doing all this there were like thousands of people and hundreds of people like me who were watching do you like anytime have in mind के लोग मुझसे भी इंस्पायर हो रहे I have to be in a good light I don't have to do bad things कि मतलब अभी सीजी में जाके मैं फूक रहा हूँ तो कोई देखेगा तो लगेगा यार ये इंसान तो कितना अच्छा था क्या काम मतलब it's a college so honestly there was no pressure कि ये सब नहीं करता होगा but then in your mind like your morals and your ethics तो कहीं पे ऐसा मतलब लगा है कहीं कि काफी लोगों को इंस्पायर कर रहा हूँ तो मैं भी अगर ये चीज कुछ बुरा या कुछ ऐसा करने लगूँ तो लोग सीखने ना लगे ऐसा कुछ मतलब have you ever
yes obviously firstly मैं फूकता नहीं हूँ सीजी में जाता था बट नहीं फूकता था सब दोस्त जानते हैं तो या उस टाइम पे वेरी गुड पॉइंट एक्चुअली वो होता था कि when people start looking up to you कि अच्छा ये है इसके साथ डांस करते हैं so it comes naturally I feel and second thing I think fame is something which is good also and which is bad also
true
वहाँ पे ऐसा भी हुआ that I have gained fans or followers who used to look up to me and उसी में ऐसा भी होता है that people start spoiling your name also so to balance that
वो लड़की के साथ था भी ये लड़की के साथ
so to balance that क्योंकि ये नहीं हो रहा है but there are few don't want to be negative about it but होते हैं कोई लोग जो like नहीं बोल देते इसके बारे में ऐसा so that has happened but I'm over it and I'm happy that I've maintained that कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं था
that good image
yeah but it's a struggle like if you get a fame trust me it's not something अरे वाह क्या मस्त है वैसा कुछ नहीं है दोनों साइड से लगती है